Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Notion to Google Sheets. Integrating these powerful tools allows for better data management and analysis, streamlining your workflows significantly. We will explore various methods, from simple exports to advanced automation, ensuring your data is always where you need it. Get ready to transform how you manage information across platforms. There are several effective ways to link Notion and Google Sheets. For most users, automation platforms like Zapier or Make provide a straightforward, no-code approach, handling complex data transfers with ease. Developers might prefer using Notion's API for highly customized, two-way synchronization. Don't forget, simple manual export and import are always options for less frequent data movement. Let's walk through a common setup using an automation tool. First, choose your platform and securely connect both your Notion and Google accounts. Next, define a trigger in Notion, for example, when a new item is added to a specific database. Finally, configure an action in Google Sheets to automatically create a new row, populating it with the relevant data from your Notion entry. To optimize your integration, use Notion's powerful filters and properties to ensure only relevant data is synchronized. Consider setting up two-way synchronization for a truly dynamic system where changes in one platform reflect in the other. This creates a robust and efficient data ecosystem. Also, for a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.